Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So this is going to be a monthly video where I go over my entire net worth. I want to be 100% completely transparent with you and show you exactly what I'm worth. So what is Bill worth? Well, not nearly as much as I should be at age 49. Well, I'm not quite 49, I'm 48, but I will be 49 in, let's see, very soon. 3 days. 3 days, I will be 49 years old. Oh, man. You know, when I was young, I always said I didn't want to live to be older than 36 because that was how old my dad was at the time. And I always thought, man, that is freaking old. I do not want to live to be older than that. Wow, boy, was I wrong. 36 is not old, guys. 36 is young. Wow. Anyways, to the point here, this is going to be my net worth where I go over all of my debt and all of my assets and show you my entire net worth. One thing I did remember right before I started recording this video is that I actually do own a little bit of silver, and I do not have that included in here. Maybe in future updates I will include the silver, but honestly I don't know the value of that silver. It's not a lot, but just to be, completely transparent, I do have a little bit of silver. I don't think it's worth a lot. So we'll see in the future if I get around to actually adding that. But for now, this is what we're counting as my net worth. So we go over our portfolios here, our random portfolio, our no rules, all these different portfolios, their values, the amount deposited, my current losses and gains. The only one that I'm at a loss right now is the zero expense ratio from Fidelity, which I just did a video update on this week. It's a brand new portfolio. If you guys haven't seen that, and you don't know what that's about, check it out. This is the amount of dividends per year each portfolio pays. This is the dividend yield on those portfolios that I am actually getting from the calculation. This is my yield on cost for each of those. And summary wise, so total value of all my portfolios is $10,313.06. I've deposited a total of $9,775.04, which means I've earned $538.02. My 401k at work, the current value is $103,727.09, but I have a loan out on that because my 401k allows me to take a loan out, which is a very bad idea. Don't do that, guys, unless you absolutely have to. I did this for a vehicle a while back, and I'm still paying for it. So I have a loan out still that I need to pay back for $24,914.65. The nice thing about the 401k loan, though, is I am paying myself back because it's going right back into my 401k. But yeah, still, it does not work out well, especially if you get fired or leave your job, because then that's going to count as a distribution. You're going to pay all kinds of fees and taxes on it. Anyways, it brings my overall value of my 401k to actually $78,812.44. Out of all my portfolios, I'm getting paid $425.11 a year in dividends, giving me an average yield of 4.36%. My yield on cost is 4.24%. My actual yield that I'm getting on all these portfolios together is 4.35%. So that's pretty good. That's much higher than the market's average, or the S&P 500's average anyway. All my debt combined right now, and that is not counting this, right? Because I've already subtracted that from the value. My actual debt on credit cards and student loan for my daughter adds up to $18,075.92. So if we pop over, I don't have the graph set up yet, but so we can pop over to a summary here. Value portfolios, $10,313. I've earned $538.02 in capital gains. I'm getting $425.11 per year in dividends for 4.35% dividend yield. The 401k balance is $78,812.44. So my overall value of the portfolios in the 401k is $89,125.50. But I have $18,075.92 in debt, which brings my total net worth to $71,049.58, which is less than my annual income. Hence the reason that you've heard me say that my entire net worth is less than 1 year's pay for me. So yeah, I will be tracking this 71,049.58. 71,049.58. And you know what? We're just going to replace February 1st on this, even though it's the 9th. So we'll just copy this, paste it up there. So we'll say at the first of this month, that's my net worth. And we'll go from there. And I'll update this at the end of each month. It's either going to be at the end or the beginning of each month. It should be in the last week of a month or the first week of a month. I'm not going to guarantee it's going to be right on that date. And then once I start getting some history here, then I'll build some graphs here to track the history of both how much debt I have, which I should also copy over. 18,075.92. We'll track that over here. So we'll track both our net worth and debt each and every month, and we'll see how we're progressing, whether my debt is reducing or increasing, and whether my net worth is increasing or decreasing. And we'll have a couple graphs going on this site, this this spreadsheet right here, so we can actually see it visually. So that's the plan, and that is my current net worth, guys. So there you have it. This is why I preach to all of you. Start saving now. Do not be sitting here at age 49 and be worth less than 1 year's pay. All right? You are going to regret it if you don't save today. You just have to. I don't care what you're making. Start saving today so your net worth does not look like my net worth when you're 49 years old. Because this is pitiful, guys. There's no excuse for it, especially in this day and age with all the brokers being free. Not all, but you know what I'm saying. All the free brokers out there. There's just no freaking excuse not to invest for your future. So that's it, guys. That's my net worth. Now you know what Bill is worth. Have a good one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.